All right. What song? Name it. Name it.
Oh, it's tough to single it down to one.
She's only got 4.
You got 4 names? Go ahead.
I want her 4.
She can't say more than 4.
All right, do your favorite one.
Not that I have
I have no idea. Name one of her, name a bet. Come on. And help me with it. Really, she totally needs help with all of that. Oh my God. All right. Okay.
It's tough to get one started.
Yeah. Maybe we gotta put this between ourselves.
All right.
Nobody else is listening. Okay. I'm sorry.
Library car.
I'm sorry. But does everybody agree?
Hey, jackass. Hey, jackass.
I'm not talking to you. I'm sorry.
Hey, jackass. Hey, jackass. No. Hey, jackass. Jackass. Hey, jackass. 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 This guy, he's filming us right here. Hey, jackass. Hey, your life's not that good, you gotta film us. Hey, jackass. Jackass. Hey, your life's so pathetic, you gotta put us on a camera. Hey, jackass. I'll record you back, dude. Is that your life? Are you living your life for me, dude? Put your fucking camera away. Don't record us. Hey, jackass, you won't even look at me, will you? No. He's recording us.
I know, but just stop.
Dude, no. Life is that bad. I'm sorry, your life's that poor. You're recording our fucking life on your camera. I'm sorry. No, dude, he's looking.
I know, but
I just. That's all right. Get a life. You don't need ours. Get a life, dude. I'm sorry. I won't say anything else.
They can stop.
Put it away.
Stop.
Dude, if you don't stop recording me, I'll check your fucking phone out the fucking window. Your life's that bad. You gotta record us. Okay. Get it.
Happy now?
Get it. This is the most pathetic thing I've ever seen. Okay, I have no. Okay. Look at me, fucking scared. Come on, dude. Fuck it.
I know, he doesn't give a shit. You know what?
Okay. Am I the only one here?
No, wait. No, you know what? Nobody wants to say it. Hold on.
Tony Bennett. This is what happens after Tony Bennett. These people.
Tony Bennett did this to you.
No, his daughter.
Tony Bennett and his daughter did this to you.
You gotta record somebody else's life.
Yeah, because you're so...
You gotta record somebody else's life to make yourself interesting. God love you.
Yes, he does. Amen.
The nugget, we're not babysitting.
We're
flying cars tonight, you know what I mean?
Take those fucking quiet assholes.
Guys, go down and come out here. Come on.
I can record uninteresting people too. I can record uninteresting people too. And fucking record them. I'll record uninteresting people. This is what life is degraded to.
they were
Yeah. Tell you what.
Because Tony Bennett did this to you. That's good. That is good. It is.
Yeah, it's like I'll fucking put you.
Yeah, everybody wants to have fun and a good time, but it's dickheads like that.
Dickheads like that. Oh, he's smart. He's Mr. Social Media. Hey, dude. Hey, dude. Here.
And his fucking girlfriend, you're a bunch of fucking assholes.
Dude, do you want my business card?
I mean, we all
Do you want to embarrass me? Is that what it's about? Fucking, you can't even look up, dude. You're pathetic.
Oh, no. You know what? Oh, he's got his camera on. He's got his camera on. Stop it. It's right there. It's right there. You want to take his fucking camera? If anybody's here that wants to take his fucking camera and slam it down on, and like beat it to a pulp. Everybody else is like, like nobody can have fun anymore. Nobody can have fun anymore. Because it's people like that.
Dude, I'll give you my business card. I'll tell you all about me. Take one. You're a fucking asshole.
He's having a fucking great time. Oh, he's filming. Shut up. He's having a fucking great time. He's just a rotten, lousy.
This is what people do for fun. They degrade other people on camera for fun.
Because he's a jerk. You're a lousy, sticky jerk.
Hey.
You know what? You're gonna fucking burn in hell. And you know what? Burn in hell. There's a lousy, stupid jerk. Oh, you think it's fun. You think it's fun. To do this on other people. Prey on other people. You know what? You're a jerk. You know what? There's a special place in hell for you. There is. Both of you. You think, you know what? There's a special place in hell for both of you. And you're jerks. You're both jerks. I can't even have friends.
Of course he doesn't have friends. He's fucking spending his days cameraing people he doesn't know. Why would he have friends?
Oh, they're making money on the lights right now. Isn't that fucking great?
And you know what? He can't even look me in the face. That's the issue.
Oh, no, they're making money off of us.
He can't even stand up and look at somebody in the face. What a fucking pathetic piece of shit. Hey, you know what? Wow. You were a human being if you look at somebody in the face. But he's a
Yeah? I sat here first.
This is a public place. They have no expectations.
Wait, Wallet. Hold on. Wallet, man in the blue shirt.
We got a blue shirt in a public place.
Oh, I'm sorry. The wallet. Hold on.
Hold on. Now I'm going to take it.
Sorry.
All right.
Now you guys.
We're getting
Let's get out of
My
here.
shirt.
Well, we're not getting him, but we're
Film
leaving.
my shirt.
Not you guys.
Film my shirt.
Did you enjoy the concert?
You guys are having fun in a public place. This is a public place. There's no expectation of privacy. Then you started to ruin your own time. Then you put yourself on camera. There are laws against touching people. You guys just assaulted him. You battery, and I'm a lawyer, and I will fucking sue your asses. Give me your card. You were talking about it. Give me your card. Mr. Asshole, give me your card. Mr. Bragger, who was drinking loud, and nobody was complaining. You were having a good time. You were taping in public. You were in public. You have the right to be loud and disrespectful in public, and we have the right to tape you in public. Do this shit in your homes, and otherwise don't complain. Oh, now you're scared because there's an attorney talking. Back off. You want me to call the cops? You didn't touch him. You did touch him. Your alcohol is leaking from your car. It's bad, by the way. Have a good time. Don't yell at other people. If you can drink in public places, watch yourselves.
Boom. Boom.
You gotta get out.
Nice job.
Aren't you glad you have your counselor with you? Seriously.
Oh wait, she lives in Winnetka.
That's their alcohol.
What's your cell phone? What's your cell phone number? She need to call you. She goes 555.
I didn't mean any trouble. But that's a shit show, and I filmed it.
Winnetka